This video is a brief introduction about FPC series. As you can see, we have FPC series cables and also adapters. We can discuss FPC series features first. It is made up of TPE and AL alloy. FPC series products are available in different colors. It is very flexible as shown in the picture. It comes in new and attractive design. The lining on the cable makes it look great. These are some of our FPC cables. First one is Type-C to Type-C cable with 5 amperes. Second one is Type-C to Type-C cable with 3 amperes. Third one is Type-C to micro USB. Specifications and connection diagram are shown on the screen. Fourth one is Type-A to Type-C. We also have adapters in FPC series. First one is Type-C to HDMI with 4K 60Hz. Second one is also Type-C to HDMI but with 4K 30Hz. Specifications and connection diagram are shown on the screen. Third one is Type-C to DisplayPort adapter. Next is Type-C to VGA adapter.